Okay, welcome to part 2 of Trains at Sheffield. To kick it off again in part 2, we have a pairing of Class 158 for East Midlands Railway, pair of Class 158s, with 158-812 leading, and then 158-847 trailing. The East Midlands Railway to St Pancras has yet to have a clear proceed aspect for the train to arrive. Well, I should say for the train to depart. But there we go, 158-812. Oh, speaking the devil, it looks like 222-222-021 and 222-017 are now departing for London St Pancras. Nice way off to the driver there, thank you very much. So that's 222-021 leading. Very dirty one by the looks of it. With a pairing of it. Got a pairing of them, which is 017 on the rear. And the pairing of 158s have also arrived in. Yep, there we go. There's the pairing. And also in the depot over there we have several. There's a 158, then 4 Class 150s. Okay, so our next departure will be 2 Class 158s, a pairing of Class 158 units, bound for probably Nottingham. Probably for Nottingham. But we do have the pairing of them. But they will gradually get closer, and I'll zoom out. So the 2 sets bound for Liverpool Lime Street, pulling at a very slow speed out of the station. (158-852) leading. They are pulling very slowly out of the station. Oh, coming to a full stop. They've just come to a very full stop there. So you've got 158-852 leading, and then 158-877 trailing. Just to correct my error from earlier, it's actually 158-777 on the rear. There goes the pairing of 158s, 158-777 and 158-852.